me, Bethany, and Orla, and today we have a special unboxing video, and there's this really nice company, and they sent us these free items, and we are not going to say what they are until we unbox them on video. I'm actually live streaming right now on my Instagram account, Bethany_Grieve, and these live people are going to be watching what is inside this box, and they get to see before this video is up, so they're pretty awesome, right? And so we're just going to open these up, and we're going to do a bit of a video about it, and then we are going to have a bunch more videos to do with this product. So we have 6 boxes to open, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You probably can't see all of them, but I really want to open this, so let's go. Okay, so
open the little one first.
Oh, little one. Okay.
That'll be it.
Oh yeah, it's a hint. This little one is a hint. You want to open one side? Oh gosh, okay. The paper tape is always so easy to do this. So it's pretty easy. Okay, we're good. All right.
Okay, so after this we'll give them another hint.
Here's it. There's a horrible thunderstorm here, somebody said.
Alright.
So, what do you guys think this is? We've got a nozzle. We've got, yeah, we just got a nozzle. Got a plug.
I think this is a charger.
Okay, so this is an air pump. Isn't that crazy, Laura? An air pump. Yeah, okay. So here's your hint. This is a air pump. Okay, so we're gonna open this box next, and this is kind of like the main thing. This is what all of it's like. Yeah.
Careful when you're cutting.
Yes.
Now rip the rest.
How? Whoa. Oh my goodness! We're gonna need. Okay, how about you grab one side? Oh, what's that mean? Okay, can you move the. So heavy. Just dump it. See what it looks like. So, can we tell them what it is now when we open it?
No.
Ow!
Anybody figure it out?
Oh, what's that? Somebody, do you know what it is? Somebody said no. Oh, you got it. Yeah. Unroll. Oh, you have. Oh. It smells like a blow-up pool. Oh, it smells bad now. It kind of smells like a flipper. Okay, so stand up so they can see. Here is the heavy item.
It's a very beautiful
I don't know if
item.
anybody's guessed it.
No.
A bump ball thing. I think they got it. So this is I don't even know what to call it. So it's a ball, and you climb inside of it. It's not a hamster
It's
ball.
a bubble ball.
It's a bubble ball. Oh, so yeah, everybody's saying a bump ball. So you climb inside of it, and your legs are still sticking out, but it's just you blow it up, and
Can you
spray
breathe in
to
it
people.
though?
Yeah. Who is ready? Watch the scissors. Can you close them and put them like on top of that? Okay. I'm so ready for this. I'm excited. This won't stretch very far. I'm gonna see it. Dad, you got this? You ready?
I'm ready.
Excited. Hopefully it turns on. Wait. Oh, there. It's working! Whoa.
Okay,
I want to try it on.
you getting in?
Yeah.
Well, I want to
I
give
want
it
to
one.
take my jacket.
Aw, you can try it after.
You are looking you off to the side there for me, please. Thanks.
So heavy.
Wait, I think it goes over your head.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wait. So.
No.
Okay.
Ready?
Nice. I tried. Oh my gosh. Ah. Oh my god. What?
Don't do that. I don't want you to knock anything over.
Pretty heavy, but cool.
I wonder what happens if I go backwards.
Don't.
I'm going to.
Oh! Oh no! Ah! Okay, wait.
Not too much room here.
You can't do very much. It's not fully inflated actually. I think it could use. Ah!
Do you think you should bottle flip, Bethany?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, let Orla have it.
Okay.
Let Orla put it
Let
on.
me get off. Got it?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, it's very heavy.
That's
my
always
head
fun.
comes
Can you
out.
say hi, Haley?
Hey.
Hi, Haley.
I think I'm a little tall for this thing.
No, you're not. My head was kind of bad at it too. You should go try like going on your back. There's no way you can fall over.
I don't want to.
Ah! Go back. Ready? I'm gonna flip you up onto your feet. Can you
What? No.
bend your legs? 1, 2.
Oh.
Okay, Bethany, what's the only problem with blowing this up in the house?
Then you can't get it out the door. But we're blowing the rest of the air up. Looks pretty good right now. I'm gonna give it maybe probably a bit more. But I'm gonna see if I can do a flip on the trampoline. Probably not land it, but like at least try. Always polish it. Don't pop it like trees. Wait, practice in a front flip first. I can barely do a front flip without.
Okay, it's coming over. You might want to get out of the way because it's heavy. Oh no.
Fail! It's not coming over.
Alright.
It's on his head. No!
Coming over.
Perfect. Okay. Ready? I can't get up. I think I'm good. So that was my video and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I love this bubble ball so much. And if you guys want to buy it, it is probably going to be in the description. This is so fun, and we're going to do a bunch of different videos with these. We might go to Sky Zone with them. So stay tuned for that. And they're just really cool. They come in different colors and different sizes for your age, and you know, and yeah, so that was my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. I can't even see the camera. Subscribe to my channel, Bethany. And on the count of 3, I'll say bye. 1, 2, 3, bye!